What's the door? Dion, are you stuck?
Yes.
Do you want help?
A little bit.
Should I
I've
help?
had the hiccup for about an hour now. I don't think they should go.
Right.
And you should stand me up because it's quite painful. Ow.
Right, I'm gonna leave you here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go for Garslager.
No.
And I'll be back.
Oh no.
Patty, so how do you feel? Patty. So your shoe fell off, right? Patty, how did your shoe fall off? Patty, what are you feeling right now? Is that all you feel?
Hannah, that's disgusting.
What's up? Are you fucked up or what?
I'm really working on right now.
This bitch is tweaking. I'm getting this bitch on Twitter. Get this bitch on Twitter.
Where's my cup?
Where's the cup at? Where's the cup? Get her a cup.
Where's her cup? Listen, hey, we're going back video recording.
I'm not video recording. What are you talking about? I'm texting.
Why? I didn't call my mom. We're going back to Tracy. We need $1. Why? Where we can get back in? Why are we going back to Tracy? Because I ain't dealing with my bitch ass. What time is it? 9:30. Oh shit. Yeah, like it's Friday. You don't want that. I can't be doing that. Yeah, because y'all. Make up bread. I heard bread. Somebody make me a drink. Somebody hand me a beer.
Take that, boy.
Hey. Sam, you can give me a beer.
Yeah, I can hand you a beer. Fuck me.
Yo, they all out. It's be quiet.
Elena, come on, Ninu. Ninu, what's going on? Huh? Come on, let's go. What's going on? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that in the hallway? Why are you in the hallway right now? For real. The cat is like, what is happening? The door's open and you're in the hallway.
Because more tips like this.
More tips like that? Really though?
Yes.
The
More
cat,
tips like this.
poor cat is in the hallway not knowing what's going on.
I'm so tired.
No, I bet. Okay, well, good night. These are the things I come home to. Good times. My cat's in the hallway, and so's my roommate, passed out with my door open. What the fuck? Right, Ninu? How do you feel about this whole thing? How do you feel about it? Yeah, I know. It's rough. Okay.
Go to the bathroom. You can't be tamed. You can't be
Stop hurry.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Do you need help getting upstairs?
You're recording me.
Don't spit on your fucking floor. Come on. Get up. Get up. I'm not recording. I stopped it. Oh. Watch out, though. You guys might come up with brownies. Come on. Hurry up. I'm not even recording anymore. Oh, shit.
Hi,
You're fucked up, dude. Oh. Tomorrow night, if you get fucked up, you're seeing. That was your phone, dummy. Come on. Come on. Let's go inside here. Let's go inside your room. I'm gonna put you to bed so I can come and upload the pictures.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Should I put this on A-list boy?
He's the worst friend ever.
Oh, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to get up the stairs? Come on, let's go.
He's the worst.
Come on, let's go to your bed.
He's the best.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, you baby.
Hi, Lola. Oh!
Come on. Come on.
Who's funny stuff?
Oh. Fuck, I stink. Okay, good night. Good night. Bye.
I hate it.
Я на регистратор сейчас сниму все это дело. Ползет и жжет.